boyfriend and a girlfriend, right?
Mm.
And let's say they're arguing about something, you know?
Oh,
And,
argue.
and that's normal. Every couple argues, so that's fine. But let's just say one of them says, "Oh, I hate you. Let's break up. I'm done." And then they leave the house. They just leave. They're acting rashly. Because like usually it's not something worth breaking up over, but if you're acting very emotionally, you can act without thinking and sometimes say things you don't mean to say. So you're speaking rashly without thinking. It's negative. Okay?
So this word is about some impulse have not been thought about.
Yes, it is quite impulsive. Yes.
Mm.
But yes, acting rashly is always
not through considered.
Exactly. Oh, Alma, perfect. Yes, that's how you go. A reckless decision. Yes, a reckless decision. That's excellent. So it's usually, if it's something that you should think about deeply or consider, but you don't, that is called acting rashly. So, like I said, for the example that we had was some woman quit her job, which people quit their jobs, but if you don't quit your job and have another job you can do, then you have no job at all. So that's acting rashly, where even if you want to quit, you should usually wait until you have something else after you leave. So you never want to act rashly, but everyone does it, okay? So I know this word might be confusing to some, but we'll practice with that word later, okay? All right. And Amir, I'm going to go ahead and say no, do not go in voice rooms just looking for people. And I'm going to go ahead and send you out of here. So let me see, remove from room. Now, everyone, I want you to know that, and we'll get to your question, okay, Ava? I want you guys to always remember this, whether it's in Hello Talk or anywhere else. Always be careful who you talk to, because the last thing you want to do is to get involved with someone who can hurt you or harass you or make you uncomfortable. So whenever I see someone enter my voice room personally, if they say things like, "I'm looking for a language partner," or something like a big long message like that, I don't usually trust that kind of stuff. If you want to find a language partner in this voice room, that's fine. You can message someone, but don't just post a message letting people know that you want them to give you attention. That's not safe, and so don't do that. I want everyone here to be safe and to have a good time on this app. Now, anyways, no more serious talk. Ava, do you have any question for me about anything?
I have a question just about learning English process. Because my basic English word is only middle school. So, do you have a good way to help me to learn English and become a better level and my purpose is pass the IELTS English exam. So
the IELTS exam. Well, let's see. The IELTS is very specific. So I would say if you want to practice
IELTS, my purpose is learn the fluency English and I can pass the IELTS English exam.
Okay.
This year, my goal, GOA.
Yep, goal.
Yes, my goal. I hope I can pass this exam.
Okay. Well, this would be the IELTS exam. Okay.
Yes.
And from what I can tell from the IELTS exam, it is a test of your responsiveness, how you respond, how you answer questions, how you listen and reply, if I'm not mistaken. So, I would say the best way to improve your English for that kind of test, I can't really give too much good advice because I'm not too familiar with it. But I do know there's teachers on Hello Talk like Richard, and he's an IELTS teacher. He'd be better to ask about this than I would, because I'm more so of a general English speaking teacher. Or so my if you want to improve your English fluency or competency in general, I would say get a journal and start writing, and write each day. Write something, even if it's just one sentence. And then with your phone, you can record yourself saying it. And then later on, you can listen to it. So, let's see. Teacher AS, he's very good. So each day, if you want to improve your competency, you can write, speak, record, and listen. That's what I would suggest. So yes, write something down in your journal, say it out loud, record yourself saying it, and then listen to yourself speaking. That would be one of the good ways to improve your competency now. But as for the IELTS stuff, I care about everyone here too much to give you